Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Elena, thank you for bringing a video. And today, we're going to be doing a very different video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your outro like clean and so you don't see any lines. Cause I know a lot of my fans might be on mobile, so and they might make YouTube videos. So this is how you like make it how my intros are. I'll show you a clip of how my intros are right now. Yeah, so basically I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So what you guys want to do is you want to go to Safari. Yeah, this is just here. What are you doing? But yeah, what you have to do is click wherever your so top right there, you're gonna have to click it. Then you're gonna have to go to YouTube Studio right there. Click it. Okay. And once you're here, you guys are gonna have to go to the left, and you see where it says videos. So this is all right here. These are all my videos and stuff. Yeah. So basically, what you want to do is go to the video that you want to edit. I think I'm gonna want to edit my latest I'm back video. So what you're going to do for this is you're gonna have to click it just like that, and there's this little pen right here, click that. And this is gonna be here, this little thing right here. And see, what you also can do here is I could go upload a thumbnail. So I'm not gonna do that because I'm not trying to explain anything. But what you want to do is you go to end screen. And now once you're at end screen, you see this. So what you want to do is skip forward to your outro. Okay. Now, as you guys can see here, it's this. So what you want to do is, this is my import from the last video, but I would consider doing this one. So as you guys can see, I can move it around as much as I want. So what I'm gonna do, I know this looks weird, but you're just gonna have to move it around a bit, I guess you could say. So as you guys can see right here, it's right there. And then this one is around right here. It's a bit glitchy, but it works, trust me. So what you guys want to do is, if you guys can see this like ends, you just want to hold it out kind of. So here, and it's a bit difficult because I don't know why. It just is, to be honest. Okay, there. I have no clue what's going on, so sorry. Wait, no, I'll come back to you when I forgot I can do it. Okay guys, and we're back. So as you guys can see, you go right here and you can move it to, you have to move it to edge. And then what you want to do is go like this, and you can drag it up or up, down, up, down. You can see here, there's little to no white. You can keep doing it until there's no white. I don't wanna, cause I can just do this. As you can see, I can barely see anything. And for this one, I don't really think you need to do anything. But this is around, oh wait, let me fix this. There, this is around how it's gonna look. I'll show you how it's gonna look right now. You can see, we're gonna save that. Okay, now what you're gonna wanna do is, just to make sure it's working, go to NLA, or just go to your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go to NLA Latifu and go back to the I'm back. So I'm gonna go straight here, put my volume low, and we're gonna start it up. So this is from my video, and as you can see here, it's gonna come a little bit early, but that's
Alright, ask me off.
See, it works. Yeah, that's about it. If this helped you at all, make sure to let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's about it. Like, subscribe, share, do anything and everything. And Leo, Peace.